Today's featured car of the day is a 1970 Mercury Cyclone spoiler with a 429 cubic inch Cobra Jet V8 and a 4-speed transmission. And the odometer reads 45,853 miles. And this one I filmed Saturday, November 1st at the Dallas Fort Worth 2025 Mecum auction, where it sold for $66,000. And I'll read off the website here on Mecum's website, and you can always go to Mecum's website if you want to get more information on this vehicle. It's lot number S112, and it sold Saturday, November 1st, 2025 at the Dallas Fort Worth Mecum auction. The website shows the highlights as one of 1,613 produced for 1970, frame off restoration, 429 Cobra Jet V8, Ram Air, 4-speed manual transmission, power steering, power disc brakes, hideaway headlights, factory tachometer, bucket seats with console, original owner's manual and warranty book, build sheet, and Marty report. And as I mentioned, it sold for $66,000. And it was a nice car. Good color with the black with the white bucket seat interior, with the Hearst 4-speed with the T-handle, with the white stripe on the side, the Magnum 500 wheels. Had everything going for it, that's for sure. Plus a frame-off restoration. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day. A 1970 Mercury Cyclone spoiler with the 429 Cobra Jet V8 engine and a 4-speed, showing 45,853 miles. And it was one of 1,613 made in 1970. And this one had a frame-off restoration. It was a beauty. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.